Hey everybody, welcome to my house. There's the this is the chew toy that Soraya has been gnawing on all day today. It's a cute little elephant. It rattles. But anyway, what we're here to talk about is some pre-calculus. You guys had an issue. I wasn't in school today, so let's talk about rational inequalities. So up here is a rational inequality. So the first thing we need to do not cross multiply. Second thing, do not rename the exponential or the rational exponent or the rational expression. What do I mean by that? Don't divide. So if you have an x minus 1 and x minus 1, don't divide. Leave them alone. Okay? Let them play, let them marinate, let them do things. Step 1, I understand that it says set equal to 0, and it's an inequality, so it's not technically equal, but you understand the process of what I'm doing. We want to get everything on one side and the 0 on the other. Second thing we do is obtain a common denominator. Third thing, we combine the numerators, and then fourthly, we solve the problem. This is the most innocuous, but it also kind of takes care of itself after that. So here's our starting problem. So it's negative, so I'm going to add it to both sides, so I end up with 5 divided by x plus 3 plus the 3 divided by x minus 1, less than 0. So we need a common denominator. Common denominator is x plus 3, x minus 1. So this guy needs an x minus 1, this guy needs an x plus 3. So they get them. And I end up with 5x minus 5 and 3x plus 3. Now it's time to combine numerators. So I circled the blue ones, circled the red ones. So I end up with 8x plus 4 divided by quantity x plus 3x minus 1, less than 0, which gives me 4. Where'd my finger go? There it is. 4 times quantity 2x plus 1, quantity x plus 3, quantity x minus 1. So that gives me an x-intercept of negative 1/2, because I'm setting the numerator equal to 1/2 or equal to 0. So subtract, divide. And I have asymptotes at negative 3 and positive 1. So I make my sign chart again, negative 3, negative 1/2, positive 1. And then I test numbers. I chose 4, 1, I think I took 0, 1, I'm sorry, 3/4, 1/2, whatever you want to do. Or I pick 0 here, you want to pick negative 1 here, that's fine. So negative 4, negative 1, 0, and then 2. That'd be fine. But you want to pick negative 15, and you wanted to pick 47. It's fine. All of that will come out to be the same. But when you do that, you get a negative divided by negative times negative. That's a positive, that's a negative. That's a negative, that's a positive. That's a negative, that's a negative, and then that's a positive, positive. So what is the answer to this cool little guy? Where is it less than 0? From negative infinity to negative 3, and then from negative 1/2 to 1. That's that one. We got time to look at another one really quick. Same idea. Move expressions to one side of the inequality. Boop. Make sure that everybody has the same stuff. So if I'm looking at this, I see that, first of all, my hands are shaking, so we got to work on that. It's like a workout right now, trying to hold this thing steady. There we go. Anyway, this has x squared, this has just 2x, so everybody needs a 2x squared times quantity 2x plus 1. So this guy, he just needs to multiply both sides by x. This guy, gotta multiply top and bottom by x, top and bottom by 2x plus 1. When I do, I get to the part where I combine numerators. So my highlighted go together, my blues go together, my red goes together. I end up with this, which gives me x plus 1, x plus 1. So I have a y-intercept at negative 1, an asymptote at 0, and negative 1/2. So here's what my sign chart looks like. Where is it greater than 0? Negative 1/2 to 0, and then 0 to infinity. I hope that's helpful, folks. Take a look at it. Go back and take a look. It's not hard. You just have to fight the urge to cross multiply and then divide out things. See you later.